Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do my nails because a lot of people ask me like, how do you do your own nails? So I'm going to show you. I've already prepped the nail, put the tip on, cut them down and shaved them. Now I'm just adding a dehydrator to take away the natural oils from my nails. And now I'm going to be adding a primer to make sure the acrylic, sticks, doesn't have any lifting, things like that. So then I'm going to take my Mia Secret liquid monomer and clear acrylic. I'll try to link the brush down below. I really wasn't feeling doing my nails, but I was tired of having little boy hands, so I just decided to go with clear for now, and then I'd figure like a color later. Also, I'm sorry if you kind of can't see some parts. I really tried, but this shit hard, sis.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So now I'm just going in with my 100 180 nail file to shape them before I go in with the e-file.
You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So then I'm going to take my e-file. I honestly don't know where I got this from. It was a gift. But if you look on Amazon, you can find like a million of them. I don't really know how to explain this other than I'm just very careful and picky. So yeah, just keep watching.
First impression, you OPN. should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So then I'm just going to take a smaller drill bit to go in closer to my cuticle, just to get a really nice clean look. And this filing part is the longest. This was like 2 in the morning, so then I go to sleep and I wake up the next morning to do the other hand.
Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
So this is what they look like, and then I'm just going to go do the exact same thing to the next hand. This is the next morning.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over over our situation. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take the high road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. Open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to, like, subscribe if you know you motherfucking know. Comment down below if you want to see me do like a more in-depth video and with colored acrylic. So yeah, we out.